How to block YouTube channels. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily block YouTube channels on your YouTube app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your YouTube app and now go to the channel which you want to block. So for example, if I want to block this channel, once you're on the channel you have to tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then here you will see block user and report user. So to block, tap on block user and tap on block again. So now this channel is blocked. So in future if you change your mind and if you want to unblock that channel, go to that channel again and then again tap on these three dots here in the top and tap on unblock user and again tap on unblock, and now this channel is unblocked. So this is how you can block and unblock YouTube channels on your YouTube app. Thanks for watching.